everyone, and welcome back to Living in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm Tami Allen, your expert realtor right here in the upstate of South Carolina, bringing you all things Greenville, Spartanburg, Easley, you name it, we're going to cover it. Now, the one thing I want to do is take you today into what might be your new home. So let's take a look inside. We're going to tour throughout, and if you have any questions at all or are ready to set up a showing, give me a call. I look forward to showing you inside now. Come on. 6 Yorkshire is a beautiful property right here in the heart of Greenville, very close to the downtown area, also close to Greer. It's sort of centrally located. Publix, grocery store, Chick-fil-A, many banks, other restaurants, everything you could want is right here, very close to this great property located in an ideal location.
6 Yorkshire is a fantastic property and a wonderful large home, over 2,200 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, primary ensuite downstairs on the main level. Each room is spacious, and there's plenty of closet room in each one of the bedrooms. As I mentioned, there are 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The half bath is located conveniently just off of the living room area. This kitchen has been wonderfully renovated with all new cabinets, beautiful color scheme, of course stainless appliances, and a beautiful light pine floor. Just outside the kitchen, you have the beautiful outside area with this large decking area where you could, of course, have a large grill, plenty of seating to enjoy this outdoor space. This is over a half-acre lot, trees in the back, so it gives you a little bit of a wooded feel, but overall the lot is very open and very spacious. And here is that half bathroom that I mentioned, very nicely done, updated below the stairs, so great use of space. And let's take a look at the second floor and the great space that is up here with these other 3 bedrooms. As you can see, each one of the bedrooms is very large with ample room. Of course, this is the full bathroom here on the second floor, which look at all that counter space that you have to work with. This is the 3rd bedroom on this floor. Holy cow, there's so much room in here that it gives you tons of storage room and plenty of room to get the laundry done. Really like a 4th bedroom up here. But now this could very easily be a very nice home theater. It is an extra room on this floor that just gives you plenty of living space in this wonderful home.
I wanted to show you a little bit more about this over half an acre lot that is the property here at 6 Yorkshire in Greenville. And there's a little creek that runs right down through there. We've got another little creek or waterway on this side. And it's a very large lot where you could even expand maybe more concrete here if you wanted to, or just have a beautiful outdoor living space. Here is some great news about this home and its financing. There's a local bank that has a dream home loan, basically, and it offers up to 100% financing. In other words, 0% down and no PMI, no mortgage insurance. That is really spectacular. It could open up the opportunity for you to own this home, no money down, have a great payment, and all financed by a local bank here in Greenville, South Carolina. Let me know if that's something you're interested in so that we can get you connected so that you could apply to get the mortgage on this home. 100% financing and no PMI.
And there you have it. This is this great property here at 6 Yorkshire in Greenville, South Carolina. Now, if you want to schedule your showing, reach out to us immediately. Let's get you in there and let's get you home. We thank you so much for watching our channel, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you love about this home tour, and let us know if there's anything else you'd like to see on here about Greenville and the whole Greenville, Spartanburg, Anderson area. Thank you so much again for watching. We appreciate you, and we can't wait to see you living in Greenville, South Carolina.